That's hot. That's hot.
Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Eric. Welcome to my channel, and this will be the first giveaway for 2019. Yes, it's a little bit overdue, but better late than never. So we still have a couple more weeks out of the month yet, and so let's get into what the giveaway is going to be. I'm sure you guys have already seen some of it already and know what's going on through previous videos, but this is the official giveaway. So stay tuned. Isn't she beautiful? Just look at those curves. Look at those lines. Wouldn't you like to have her? I can tell you how. I'm talking about the guitar, you perv. What the hell? So what do we have here? Can of Coke. Don't mind if I do. All right, enough screwing around. What I got over here, that could be one of yours, is the Ibanez RG series. Model number is RGA 42 FM. And this is the Blue Lagoon Burst Flat, which is a very, very beautiful guitar. And first off, the body is mahogany. Okay. And it's got the Wizard 3 maple neck with a rosewood fretboard, jumbo frets, dot inlays off to the side. Now, if you know anything about these necks, these are very nice thin necks. It does have a scarf joint in it. Here is the number on the back, and there is no S on the back of this headstock. This was purchased new. String through body, no tremolo. It's got a hardtail on it, hardtail on it. One volume, one tone, 5-way selector switch, and these pickups are what they call the Quantum pickups. They're very nice. They sound good. Each pole piece here is adjustable. But I have to do a little bit of work to it because if you look at those pickups, they are pretty high. Action height is pretty high on this thing. I believe this is a flamed maple veneer, not a cap. So if you guys think it's a cap or so, you know, just kind of like, no, it's not. Matching headstock as well. So what I love about these Ibanez guitars, even though this has got a flat finish on it, the matching headstock really makes it look really nice. The nice thing about this guitar as well is Ibanez started using these trap doors for getting to the truss rod, which I like it better instead of having to remove the whole truss rod cover. It's got a little trap door. Basic Ibanez tuners. They still have the plastic on it. Four screw, bolt on neck. And it has the string through body. No Baroque cracks or anything else on this guitar. This guitar was purchased new off of eBay. And it could be yours. And how can this guitar be yours? Well, all I need from you is
$1 million.
Wait a minute. That's not right. Hold on.
$100 billion.
God damn it. What's this doing back here over here? Well, don't mind if I do. All right. So, I'm going to make this real easy. Like I said, this is going to be a giveaway. I am going to post my email address in the description below. You know, that's kind of like down there. And all you have to do is send me an email. Make sure that you have your YouTube name, username in there, and your name, last name, and address. And then I will pick, after a week and a half, I will pick out one address that this will be shipped to. Now, again, just like all my other contests, there will be no overseas, no Canada, no England, no anywhere, but only the United States. So I'm sorry, guys. Shipping is a bitch, and like I said, I purchased this brand new, and I will be paying for the shipping as well. So that's it. That's how you're going to get it. And yeah, so I'm going to have to do a setup, and I will be recording the setup as I do it. This way you guys can see what's going on. I will be taking down dimensions as far as measurements and everything else as far as what I've done. And that's how you'll get it. And it comes with a gig bag, which I think is a Chapman gig bag. I don't know how that got involved in this, but it did. But it seems to be a nice gig bag. Pretty padded, pretty heavy. You know, I'm not really a gig bag person, but at least it'll be protected when shipping in boxes. So I have 2 boxes that this will be shipped in. So I have extra protection in it. And again, only U.S. mailboxes or homes or addresses. You know, you get the deal. All right. So stay tuned for other videos about this guitar as far as doing the setup goes, because it should be pretty good. I mean, it's a nice guitar. I've got one, and this one has not been set up, so it needs one. All right. Later, folks. Again, this will be going on for a week and a half. So if you want to play, send me an email, post comments at the bottom, and here we go. Welcoming 2019 with the first giveaway. All right, folks. Take care. All right, everybody. Just one more thing before I close up everything over here and make this video complete and get it up on YouTube. There is a website that I use that gives me the information from the serial number, and I'm going to post a link to that website at the bottom. It works for Ibanez, as you can see, because I'm going to post what information about this guitar after I get my ass off this camera. And it's good for Fender, Gibson, Ibanez, I think Jackson as well. So a link for that website will be at the bottom, and hopefully it can help you guys, you know, determine or figure out what year your guitar is, where it was made, and everything else, if you don't already know. Little information is good to help out, you know, whatever. Take care, guys. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the comments section. All right, take care, and hopefully an email from you if you guys want in on this. So later, everyone.